This is so painful what our Nigerian leaders they are doing. Our youth, they are crying. They are crying. What our Nigeria leaders are doing is really bad. Stay tuned, guys, and watch this video to the end.
December say make the civil servant and the police say that they put them on alert, say they not go fit pay them on time. And the police they would they cry come and say Nigeria government they would they hold their money self salary with they never even pay. All the money where they borrow, where all the money they go. Not be later one though. Then they tell us now say as from 2022 January, say every Nigerians will start to pay tax for using Facebook. Whether you want buy or whether you want sell something for Facebook, they pay tax. Whether you want promotion for anything you want to do, they pay tax. Now if you want to do sponsor advert, they pay tax. For Facebook now, for Nigeria now, waiting all those our haters of dooms, they busy, they discuss for inside National Assembly, now be that now. Not be later one though. They say as from 2022, if you don't get tax identification number, you not go fit to operate your bank account again. That is to say, if you get bank account, you must pay tax. Not be the tax when they fed they collect for your head for the bank or when the government fed they collect for CBN. Waiting Nigeria government, waiting then they give their citizen. Nigeria government have nothing to offer their citizen, but they keep on mimicking their citizen. Then they make life unbearable for their citizen. Then they frustrate their citizen each and every day. Nigeria is the worst country in the whole world. There is no hope. There is no hope. Please, please. If you can help me help any country you are, I want to leave this country. I'm tired of Nigeria. Nigeria don't make me think way again. Each and every day, bad things upon everything. Now with the year say Nigeria soldiers don't go free 20 police when bandit when they kidnap for inside your bay. Each and every day, country, whenever they kidnap 20 police with the AK-47, is there hope in that country? Is there hope? There is no hope in this country. There is no hope. There is no hope. There is no hope. Nigeria don't they make me think way again. I can't even think like normal human being. I just this morning, just see different, just less news, says less news, updated news. Waiting on they exist again for any part of the world. Everything they exist for Nigeria. Why? Why? Still here, the same government will still tell you that their regime is better than the regime where they take over from. Why? I can no longer cope in this country. I not go fit stay. I not go fit stay in this country. Each and every day the frustration is too much. Now, so data, network people, they just carry spiritual struggle for person body. They drop person body every day na data. If you watch anything for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, your data don't finish. Not be only that one. Light, you know, they see you go bomb fuel. There is no hope. There is no hope in this country. There is no hope. People have stopped to the deceive themselves. People have stopped to the deceive.
Hello, my beautiful and amazing fans. You're welcome to Pretty Girl TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are watching me. I greet you all according to your time. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Compliment of the season. I want to appreciate all my supporters all over the world. May God in heaven bless you all as you support me. I really appreciate you guys. Without you, there will be no Pretty Girl TV. If you come across my YouTube channel, you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Support your girl, support your sister, support your auntie. Don't forget to hit that red button, hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. As you do so, may God in heaven bless you in Jesus' name. Compliment of the season to you all. I love you guys. So my people, this video where una watch so, I think una see wetin our Nigerian leaders wetin that they do to our citizens. This video is so painful. Now watch the video. It's so painful because our leaders wetin that they do for that our country, e no really dey fine. E no really dey fine. Now it make that country no go fit finish for corruption. E no go fit finish. Honestly, e no go fit finish. Why I dey talk this one so? workers, they go, they work. They don't go see money. They don't go pay their salary. Last year, December, I did a video concerning this one again. Last year, December, civil servant, they don't pay them for December. Our government, they don't pay them for December. Now, things they expensive for Nigeria. Okay, how they want to live for this December? How they want to live for this December? They don't pay them. Children, they there. They go pay house rent. They don't pay the salary. Where they work put, now we they talk about salary where they work put. They no gree pay them for this December again. Last year, I still did a video concerning this issue. Why our Nigerian leaders, why did they try to they make the citizens they shed tears? Why? Why our leaders they make the citizens that they shed tears? Person go work. Wetin work for? Month go end, he don't go see the money. This is really bad and it's really sad. It break my heart. Now I make corruption not finish for that our country Nigeria. Corruption not finish. Because why? The things where they happen. It not go fit make corruption finish for that our country Nigeria. Let's be sincere. We not go fit blame Nigeria youth for everything where they happen. Our government, they contribute for wetin they happen to our Nigeria youth for that country. They contribute for wetin they happen. They contribute. Imagine. Okay, Ghana. We want to talk about Ghana now. As this December just reached now. The Ghana leaders, they go say they no go pay the workers money. I never hear and say Ghana leaders, they don't pay workers money. They don't pay workers money. I never hear them. Their things, they do their things. JJ, how corruption go take that country? Corruption not go feed that country. Corruption not go feed there. They do things accordingly. When things go take them okay for that country, Ghana. Una not see the things where Ghana they do. The amazing things where Ghana they do for their country. Una don't hear come and say their citizens don't cry, come out one day say they don't pay them. Their government, they are really doing something great in that country. They do something great for that country, Ghana. All these things no they happen for Ghana. Wait till they happen for our country, Nigeria. So it know they happen for Ghana. It know they happen for Ghana. It know they happen. Imagine December time, festival time, they no go pay salary to workers. How they want to survive, how they want to live. Since everything don't dear for that our country, Nigeria. And even a pity for the poor. How they want to live for this December. Talk, let's say, workers. Poor wey don't get anything where they do. How they want to survive. Bag of rice you no fit buy. Nothing where you go fit buy for that our country, Nigeria. But our leaders, they go break, they go sit down, they go eat. Because they see money where they use. They see money where they spend anyhow. Nigeria money where they supposed to use for our country, Nigeria, they use the money anyhow. They use the money anyhow. This is so bad. Which our leaders they do for that our country. It's so bad. Imagine. They said from next year now, our citizens, where they use Facebook, where they trade for Facebook, whether they do anything for Facebook, comedy and everything, they say from next year they go to pay tax. Now that tax, now I want to pay the debt one at the whole. Now that tax, now I want to pay. Una don't borrow money, chop the money go carry the money, go bank am. Now the citizen head now na want to go pay the debt. Now that one be una problem. Wetin una supposed to do, una no go do. Wait till una go see the youths now when they struggle for their self, when they try to make their self okay, make they no go through can for bad thing. Una go still they find one way where una go still take break them down. This is bad, our leaders. This is really bad. As I dey talk, so my heart dey bitter for wetin dey happen for our country, Nigeria. My heart dey bitter. My heart dey bitter. They make all bad things in full that our country. Bad things full am. Every day na bad things now you dey hear. Thief full everywhere. Kidnapper full everywhere. You go see young boy when dey 18 years, he go be Yahoo boy. Just imagine how na say me that they survive. Now their fault. Now na fault. Now they cause everything when they happen for that our country, Nigeria. Now they cause our leaders. Now they cause. If we not create job for the youth, all these things where they happen, it not go happen. We not go see the youth where they suffer, see they hustle for themselves. We not go try to break them down. Why? Our leaders, why? Why? Una no dey look Ghana, una no dey see wetin dey happen, the amazing things wey dey happen for Ghana, una no dey see una no dey see abi una dey sleep, our leaders. Buhari, you dey sleep? Wetin dey happen? So my people, I go leave una. Anything una think about this video, make una leave am for the comment section. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.